Hello everybody, welcome back. Amazing video today. You have seen the title already. I cannot be more excited. 13,000 and you have a great TV by a great brand. Now what do you think? Is it complete? Does it lack any features? I'll show you a few points. I'll talk to you about a few points and you will be just amazed as to how good this TV is. I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy one sometime in the future. Hopefully you do too. Let me quickly summarize it for you guys in case you want to leave the video and go and break my heart. You have an option. 8 ways in which OnePlus TV made its TV premium even at 13,000. Very important. OnePlus recently launched its new OnePlus TV Y Series. It comes with a starting price of 12,999. 1 rupee, I don't know where it goes. But do not get fooled by that price tag. The TV series is up to the brim with features that would do a premium TV proud. So you don't get any bezels, nothing. Amazing. You don't get a phone at that price, yeah? A good phone, you do get a phone, but a good phone. Premium is not really a word that you associate with price tag of 13,000 even for smartphones, right? You expect phones at this price to just get the job done and do not really mind a few cut corners, correct? Whenever you are compromising on price, you expect that some features or something would be compromised. Move on to an even bigger screen, a TV, and the expectations drop further. Of course, if you're buying a TV, you don't get a good smartphone at 13,000. How will you get a good TV? Maybe there are good smartphones, probably. And if you get a smart TV for this price, so it is a smart TV, you do not expect it to come laden with premium specs and features. But that was the case before the flagship killer had arrived in the TV market. This is so true. OnePlus, from being a flagship killer in the phones segment, has now become the flagship killer in the TV segment. It has become a flagship, I think, in the... But OnePlus Nord, that's a good budget phone. So OnePlus recently launched its new OnePlus TV Y Series. So Y Series TV. It comes with a starting price of 12,999, but do not get fooled by that price tag. Amazing. If that sounds hard to believe, check these 8 top-notch features that the OnePlus TV Y Series delivers at a starting price of just 12,999. From now, I'm just going to say 13,000. Display minus bezels. All display. First point. Not paying a premium price tag generally means that you have to deal with hideously chunky bezels. So, lot of bezels. Those thick black lines that frame the displays of our TVs, but not the TV. But not when the TV comes from the flagship killing brand OnePlus. OnePlus is the boss of pairing high-end features with affordable prices, and that is exactly why you get a bezel-less divine to rapper hai na? Design even when even on the OnePlus TV Y Series. when the base model in the Y Series offers almost non-existent bezels that surround the display. Wow, it comes with a massive 88% screen to body ratio, which means only one thing. All display, no bezels. Of course, 12%, 12% there is some bezel, but minuscule, right? Moving on to the point number 2. All display, what display? Wow, this is Saif Ali Khan wala thing. Wow display. But having a bezel-less display means nothing if it is not of good quality. Whatever ugliness was lost by having thin bezels can come back into the picture literally if the display is below par. If you have a display that is bezel-less, you are good on the first viewing. But when you turn on the TV and the display itself is bad, then to phir, as it is very rightly said in so many languages, you are... But that is not the case with OnePlus TV Y Series. Even the base model in this range brings a huge 32-inch display. Inches are very important. 32-inch display at this price point, and it sure is an impressive one. It has a high color range of DCI P3 93%, featuring a 20% wider color gamut. Now all this, what does it mean is, meaning you will get blow your mind color reproduction with rich colors and deep contrast, leaving you with 2 words. Wow display. Wow. Oh man, wow. Okay, third point, plus gamma engine powers. I have no clue what this is. All of this in 32-inch smart TV at this price point is more than enough to please most customers. Correct. But the Y series also comes with OnePlus's advanced Gamma engine. Gamma engine. This provides dynamic contrast, handles anti-aliasing, minimizes noise and ensures proper color space mapping. Wow, all of this again means, as we said earlier, wow display. All of which helps in delivering a best in class visual experience. I don't think there is 13,000 rupees TV in class, this sort of a thing, no matter what you're watching. Immersive audio, Dolby audio. So the next point is on audio. Immersive audio, Dolby audio. All that display brilliance is paired with some really premium sound goodness as well. The OnePlus TV series comes with the two 20-watt speakers. Amazing. These are backed by one of the best in audio business brands, Dolby. Dolby, only two words with D, Dolby and Dobby. The TV comes with support for Dolby audio that not only delivers in an immersive cinematic experience but also with surround sound that takes the viewing experience to another level altogether. मतलब Dolby sound, surround sound भी you have. Now, for the coup de grace, Android in its veins. Brilliant display? Check. Great audio? Check. But what really makes the OnePlus TV Y series smart is the Android running through its veins. It's a human now. It is powered by Android TV 9.0, giving you access to a number of Android apps and games. You will also be able to connect your television and your OnePlus device seamlessly, which would allow you to not only mirror what is on your OnePlus smartphone on the TV, but will also let you choose or use your OnePlus smartphone as a remote control using the OnePlus Connect app. When you have that TV on, you can pair your OnePlus phone and whatever is on your phone you can see on your TV. Correct. But your OnePlus phone can also be used as a remote. You don't need to search for remote. I cannot tell you how many times I have been scolded for remote. Not now, but that trauma still remains. You also have the option to connect your OnePlus TV with as many as 5 devices simultaneously over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Wow! With the Y series, OnePlus has also come up with a solution for all those times when Wi-Fi blues hit. So some solution for Wi-Fi problem. Right now I'm not having a lot of problem with Wi-Fi. Jio seems to be working fine. Before that I had MTNL and that was also alright. Now you can connect your TV to your smartphone's hotspot and using it for viewing content, and the data bill will not go through the roof either. There is also a data saving mode. Okay, you can probably put a upper limit that optimizes data usage by limiting network bandwidth, disabling the background data usage and controlling the video resolutions as per viewers' choice. This is nice. The next one will make you feel you are in 2080. Okay, Google to the rescue. Need some assistance? Well, the Y series comes with the powerful Google Assistant, which would not only help you navigate through if you need help, but will also answer your queries, browse the web, or even tell you a joke on the press of a button. Wow, man, this is a good one. Play around with OxygenPlay. Scrolling endlessly and navigating through all apps and content can sometimes be a task, but the Y series comes with OnePlus Content Discovery platform. Okay, OxygenPlay that can help you pick and choose content easily. Oh, so you don't even need to search. This is going to make me so lazy. I can't understand it. This is not good. Why do I have so many features? This is not right. With OxygenPlay, OnePlus has partnered with a number of content partners including Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. It also has a dedicated Prime Video section specifically for Prime lovers. So many great shows on Prime here. So you have OxygenPlay to discover new content also. Another great one, this is such a big problem for everybody. You don't have ports. Just 13,000. It can be such a shame to have a smart TV but not have enough and different connectivity ports on it to connect your devices to it. This is a problem you will not have to face with OnePlus TV Y series. Everything is in there. The TV comes with a number of connectivity options that include USB, HDMI, AV input, Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. And for those who use Chromecast, it is built into your TV itself. How much does Chromecast cost? Few thousands? And 13,000 you get everything. Finally, the most important thing, the price. Can you imagine the price? Or have I said it already or disclosed it already? It's 13,000. Did I say one extra zero? No, I cannot spend that 1 rupee, because if 1 million people pay 13,000, there would be 1 million extra cash with OnePlus. So remember, I'll change it. Remember the price, 12,999, 12,999 only. That's it. You don't have to pay much. This is so cool. I think this will just revolutionize probably this segment. You would have so many people who would come up with this kind of TV at such a great price. And then you will have Samsung and Apple, no, Samsung and OnePlus, and oh, this is going to explode. And obviously the great Xiaomi is going to come and attack this segment pretty soon. And then you will be, everybody will have a phone, everybody will have a smart TV. There would be no use to think and just wonder about TV, and you can simply use the smart TV. I'm happy. Amazing TV, everything is fine. And if you have made it this far to the video, I don't get it. What did you see in the video that made you like it? But I'm pretty sure you're going to come back. And if you don't,